Biles after she shocked the Olympic Committee and the world by pulling out of the U.S. team gymnastics finals. Biles said that the emotional toll of these games in Tokyo, not a physical injury, prompted her withdrawal. After her departure, the U.S. women's gymnastics team won silver.
This is the medal.
It's been really stressful this Olympic Games. I think just as a whole, not having an audience, there are a lot of different variables going into it. It's been a long week. It's been a long Olympic process. It's been a long year. So just a lot of different variables, and I think we're just a little bit too stressed out. But we should be out here having fun, and sometimes that's not the case.
Still unclear at this point if Biles will be competing later in the individual events. The superstar gymnast brought home 4 gold medals in the 2016 Olympics. And our Olympic expert KCRA 3's Deirdre Fitzpatrick joining us live right now from Doko, where she's getting ready for the Olympic zone coming up in just under a half hour. First question, though, after everything that's unfolded today, what is your take on all this?
It's a powerful moment. What happened today, you know, for most athletes at that level, Golston, it's easy to dig deep and to keep on going. The hard thing when you're as good at something as Simone Biles is to know when you should pull back. And today what she did is she pulled back because she knew mentally she wasn't in the right space to be able to pull off the complexity of moves that only she can do. And she knew that by doing so, 2 things could happen. If she had gone forward, she faced having a horrific injury. Horrific. The second thing is she could very easily have also taken Team USA out of medal contention period. So by pulling back, she had the opportunity to make a very strong statement about the power of the athlete as an individual to protect their mental health, but also she kept her team in contention to get onto the medal stand. And today Team USA did win silver, which was a tremendous accomplishment, with Simone on the sidelines, by the way, helping her team, cheering them on, bringing them chalk, and making sure that they knew that she supported them.
Deirdre, you recently spoke with one of the U.S. gymnastics team doctors. What did she have to say?
She talked a lot about the responsibility of the new regime at USA Gymnastics. That place has been blown up and reimagined. The medical staff has been completely replaced since the Larry Nassar sex abuse scandal, which has dominated headlines and affected athletes, including Simone Biles, now for years. They have changed everything about the organization, from the coaching to the staff to the way the women are protected. And today you also saw that those women are taking responsibility for changing the culture as well, with what Simone Biles chose to do by withdrawing herself from that competition. And here's what that doctor had to say about the strength of these women.
They are so brave, they're so courageous, they're so vulnerable, and they understand their impact on those that come behind them, right? Those kids that they're impacting, and not just kids, they impact adults, and they really push people to just be their true self, and they do it in a beautiful way.
And this is what Dr. Foston said last week, right before she left Sacramento to head to Tokyo. Today, listening to her words and Simone's words, it's easy to see why she feels that way.